In today's video, I'm going to teach you Tailscale versus Cloudflare Tunnel, which is best for secure remote access. Both tools aim to give you secure connectivity, but they do it in very different ways. Understanding that difference is the key to picking the right one for your setup. Tailscale works like a private mesh VPN built on top of WireGuard. Think of it as creating your own secure encrypted network where your devices talk directly to each other as if they were on the same local network. Once connected, you can reach a server, NAS, or a personal computer by its stable private IP without punching holes in your router. Because connections are device to device, latency is low and performance feels snappy, which is great for home labs, remote administration, and private file access. You also get fine-grained control over which device can reach which service through access rules, so you can keep critical systems locked down while still making them convenient for yourself or a small team. Cloudflare Tunnel, by contrast, is more like a secure reverse proxy. Instead of joining a private network, you publish a specific service, like a web dashboard or internal app, through Cloudflare's global edge. Your service stays behind your firewall. There's no need to open inbound ports. Users reach it over the internet with a normal browser, and you can layer on protections like DDoS mitigation and zero trust access policies that require login before anyone even hits your app. This is ideal when you want to share something with clients, collaborators, or a broader audience without asking them to install a VPN client. Here's the practical way to decide. If your goal is privacy, low latency device-to-device access, and tight control inside your own environment, Tailscale is usually the better fit. It shines when you want your machines to feel like they're on the same LAN from anywhere, with minimal fuss and strong encryption. If your goal is to make a website or internal tool available to others over the internet securely and easily, Cloudflare Tunnel is a smarter choice. It reduces operational overhead by handling TLS, global routing, and threat protection, while giving you browser-based access with policy enforcement. In short, pick Tailscale for private networking and home lab management, and choose Cloudflare Tunnel when you need to publish services safely to the outside world. Match the tool to your outcome, and you'll get a simpler, more secure setup with fewer surprises.